This is a train carrying damaged Ukrainian armored vehicles that were recovered by Russian forces. An important point to note here is that most of the armor is of Western origin. These include tracked APCs such as the M113 and its variants like AIFVs, and infantry fighting vehicles. In the wheeled category, there's even more variety, including Cossack vehicles, 2 British Mastiffs, the French VAB, several Humvees, the Canadian Rochelle Senator, and the Turkish BMC Kirpi. The armored vehicles in good condition will likely end up in museums and exhibitions. A few units may also be sent to research institutes, where their armor layouts and weak points can be studied in detail. This is a significant gain for Russian forces in this war, as Western equipment is now available for both research and analysis. While some may argue that most of these vehicles are outdated and no longer valuable, it still represents a notable acquisition.